when making a juice, you want to focus on taste, what you like. Many people, they just want to start raw juicing, so they go search for all kinds of recipes, and they're reviewing each based on what? Ingredients. And that's a natural thing to do. They want to find what tastes good to them. Sometimes they don't look for a recipe, they just make a juice based on what somebody gave them. And it turns out to be a disaster because it might have been celery juice or a mono juice of some sort, or just a bad mix that tastes bad to them. So they associate that with raw juicing and give up. I happen to like just about all the ingredients, but I don't necessarily like them any one of them as a mono juice. This bottle here was bought by a friend of mine at work, and he took one sip and gave it to me. It says sweet green, apple, celery, kale, spinach, and lemon. So I looked at the color of it and then looked at the ingredients, and I thought, well, this is a consumer item, so probably half this bottle is apples because they want it to sell. And so you have spinach, celery, and kale, and that gives it the green color. The lemon offsets the bitterness of the spinach, and then the apple is the sweetener. So the apple celery is probably the base. The spinach is the nutrition. Spinach and kale is the nutrition, and then the lemon is the adjuster to offset the bitterness. So you see how I'm sort of formulating this? My background is in a lab, so I have a tendency to formulate instead of create a recipe. It's a different way to look at it, but if you keep your focus off of the paper recipe and just look at the color and the ingredients, then you'll enjoy juicing. You want to juice for taste and benefits.